Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error on Modern Warfare 3, the 0x1 error. I'm going to put links to the files in the video description below for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first thing you want to do is download them. After you've done that, go into your downloads folder. And if you're on Windows 11 like this, download that, right click this as administrator, say yes, and it will ask for your file location. Then what you want to do is go to your Xbox Game Pass, right click on Call of Duty, go to Manage, click on Files, click on Browse, go to Call of Duty, go to Content, and this is the file path that you want to copy and paste. You take this, you paste this into here, you press enter, and that is it. It should work. After you've done that, exit out of Xbox Game Pass, restart it, and try the game, and the error should be gone. If this helped you, leave the video a like. If it didn't help you, leave the video a comment, and I will do my best to try to help you.